This is your Corning Freedom Loose Tube Gel Free Cable with a riser rating, indoor-outdoor. You have 24 fibers and it is a 62.5 multi-mode cable. These cables are protected against water penetration by innovative water blocking tapes and yarns that swell to absorb water. Water blocking without the use of messy gels provides more efficient and craft-friendly cable preparation, allows easier cable access, and simplifies the use of buffer fan-out kits. The buffer tubes and fibers in each tube are color-coded for quick, easy identification. All dielectric construction requires no grounding or bonding. Cable sold per foot, and for more fiber optic videos, check out our YouTube channel. You can order this online at discountlowvoltage.com.